So this is my Poi Android app. I'm going to click on the random button a lot, get some nice random patterns, and then there's a really big list of pattern categories that have been pre-made and patterns within those categories. So this is one of them. It wasn't the best one to choose. I can change the prop type to clubs and to fans. That's an interesting looking pattern. Why did I choose that one? So I can reset it. And then I can change the driving style. And this affects both Poi, obviously. And I can also change the speed, the positions, and lots of other variables, as well as the hand path. So right now it's obviously a circle, but I can make it a line or a box or lots of other things. So here I'm changing the visualization of the Poi. Also, this is some sweet LED Poi. Not quite pixel Poi, but getting there. And then this is what the pattern would look like on fire, if you wanted to know. And then we can change that to see what the hand path is. Obviously this is just a circle. And not that most things are circles. I mean, it's all based around circles. And this is what the trails would look like as it moves through space, but not on fire. And there it's in slow motion. Nice. That's the actual pattern format. You can either save that or use it as text to share with your friends. Now if we set it again to get a nice pattern to make extra Poi appear. So here's one extra Poi, as if it's doing 2 Poi in one hand. And I can get up 4 Poi like this, like mini meteors. And there's a little icon in the top corner to show you how many Poi you're simulating. That's what it would look like on fire if it was perfect. There is LED, much more interesting in LED. Yeah, looks pretty cool.